Hello Betty, I am making for you a short video presentation, and first of all, thank you so much for your orders. And one of your order was DIY crochet yarn kit about making crop top mermaid. This design is really interesting and unique. So this crop top, it has in total 12 lessons. Also we have 2 additional lessons for crop top with smooth transition of several colors. And right now I am preparing 2 yarn kits, DIY crochet yarn kits for my Etsy shop, and I want to recommend you one of them. Maybe you will like a composition of colors and you will choose one of these 2 options. First one is this one. It's ivory, pastel yellow, such bright green, and also the last one is brown, such lighter brown color. And we have samples of elements. I will put them to our DIY crochet yarn kit together with colored schemes, instructions. Also, we will have 4 different colors, in total 600 grams. So each time we will have 150 grams of each color. So this will be ivory, yellow, green, and brown. Such beautiful kit, 600 grams. Also crochet hook, a USB flash drive with video tutorials and PDF lessons, colored schemes, writing instructions, everything. And also we have these all beads. I have chosen similar colors, like we have ivory, also yellow, green color, brown colors, everything we have here, and you will create by using them these all decorations. We have in the last lesson how to create this all. You have their video tutorial, also PDF presentation, how to place them, yes, how to create this 7 lines with beads and shells, and after you will have video how to join everything by using the same Italian viscose thread like this. So this is our first option in colors, you can see right now, and also together with beads. And now I will show you second one, just without motifs. I will show you colors, and I have already beads and shells for this kit. So let's look to the next one. And now the second option is similar to this one, but here we have purple, and this time we don't have purple. We have ivory, beautiful such a pink, light pink. Next one, French pink, and this one is a little bit darker. It's like salmon pink. And we have 4 colors also. Already I have beads and shells for this composition. And yes, we can start from ivory, next this beautiful pink, French pink, and finish by the most intensive color, this more intensive salmon pink, like this. Elements we will create for you, samples of elements, by using the same colors, and you will be able to use them for your composition if you will choose this DIY crochet yarn kit. These all colors are very beautiful, very rare. French pink, ivory is really gorgeous, so this kit is really fantastic. So you can choose, maybe you will like this green and brown, yellow, brown, or you can choose this ivory and pink colors kit, and you will get also all necessary materials: fabric pattern, journal with schemes, samples of elements, crochet hook, beautiful threads like this, and USB flash drive with full crochet colors inside. So I hope you will choose one of these options. I really recommend you them because I already have chosen amazing beads and shells to create really this last fantastic decorations, these last steps. So let me know what you think, and I will gladly send you this beautiful DIY crochet yarn kit. Just let me know what colors you like more. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will wait for your message. Bye bye for now.